what do you use to tie up your puff?
Hey, Curlfriends.
Hey.
Take one, pass them around, ladies. Tam and I came up with a great idea for a fundraiser. A curl off.
Ooh, that sounds fun, but what is it?
Yeah, I'm gonna need a little more details. Your ideas can be a bit bizarre.
Not this time, ladies. Me and Tam thought long and hard about this one. Yes, Courtney came up with the idea to host a curl off where we invite people from the community to come get their hair done by us at a discounted price. No appointment needed, just show up and get your curl on. Yeah, we can help people in the community who can't really afford to get their hair done and help our girl Lisa get her business back up and running. So what do you say, ladies? We're here now.
At y'all. It looks so good in here. Y'all gonna kill it today.
Thank you.
Devo, you're not staying, are you?
Oh, now see, Miss Sis, you asked for the salon, not my services. But see, you're my sister. You have talented hands, so I know you guys are gonna kill it today. See me? I got a blast. Peace out.
That's D-Lo for you.
Gotta love her.
Exactly. Well, ladies, the doors are almost open. I can't wait to see our first customer.
Girl, I am so ready. That's why I'm first in line. You guys ready?
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Curl Off fundraiser for Hurricane Alley. We'll start this way. Come in. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, Curlfriends!
Mr. Harry Combs, is that you?
It sure is. I'm here to get my hair done. I heard I didn't need an appointment. I'm trying to get my curl on. Girl, I guess this chair for me.
Okay, Mr. Combs. I'll get your treatment started for your hair.
Okay.